pour in your plate. As you can see, it makes a lovely lentil quinoa salad.